The Brellabag is waterproof because the conventional ones, they are not waterproof.
Right.
It's flexible. It's you slide in your umbrella very quickly. It fits all sizes. You fix with the elastic, so you can put in bigger ones or smaller ones. It protects all your valuables because of the waterproof. You can put it in your handbag. Just drop it with confidence. You don't have to worry about iPhone or your probably paper calendars
and pictures, anything.
Yes,
Sure.
yeah, absolutely. And this is the idea. And it comes in different colors. It will be in different prints probably. It's lightweight. It looks great, and it's truly convenient. And it will have a hook when you don't need it to put here. You don't have to dig in your handbag to look for it.
Yeah.
And I think this is a great thing.
Absolutely. I love it.